What up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today I got a very special video for you guys because I'm going to be doing an unboxing as well as a review on a USB-C device that might be a game changer for you. So let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. So as you guys just saw, I have unboxed the Hoyoki 9-in-1 USB-C adapter. Now you're probably asking yourself, what does this thing do? It simply expands your laptop capabilities, all right? So it's a USB-C, like I said, 9-in-1 adapter, very easy to use. You plug it in and it plays, no drivers necessary. And let me tell you what this thing comes with, right? So it has USB 3.0, it has three ports. Then it has the USB-C port, and they have 5 gigabits worth of transfer speed. On the flip side, you have the HDMI, which is up to 4K at 30 Hertz. You have your SD card reader as well as your micro SD card reader. And then you have a power, you can plug in your power device, up to 100 watts of power, which is pretty amazing. And then on this side here, you have your Ethernet port, which you could basically connect your RJ45 cable. So therefore you don't have to deal with Wi-Fi and you have a nice fast connection. Oh yeah, and it also has this little green LED light that lights up to let you know that the device is active. It's very compact, great for travel. Whether you're in your home, your office, studio, it's definitely a great device to have. The only downside about this device is that to me, it gets very hot, but that's okay because it is made of a nice alloy metal, which helps with the heat. It doesn't let your devices overheat. So that is a good thing about this device. So if you guys are looking for some expansion for your laptop, definitely consider picking up this Hoyoki device. I will leave some links down in the description below. It's your boy Young Fizz, and we will see you on the next video.